Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to install a concrete anchor. Things you need are the anchors. I get these red heads here, right here. I also have Hiltis. They're a little more expensive. Pretty much the same damn thing, I don't know. Maybe they're better, I don't know. But and use your concrete to be pretty well cured. This one's okay. It's it's been over a week, but it's still kind of green. So then what I do is so for these things I'm just gonna go ahead and they need a hammer drill, which I got this from Harbor Freight Tools. Had this thing a little while, and some hammer drill bits, and it comes with some of them, but they have these little packets of bits like that right there for like 10 bucks. Just buy one of those because it'll have the right sizes. I think the other ones are metric. So for a 3/8 anchor, some places say you need a 7/16 bit, but I used a 3/8 bit. So probably the same for 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. I think you just need the drill size that's the same, and you want it to be fairly tight. And I'll show you how it works. So for this project, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just use the pole to line up, because I just want it to line up to the edge. I don't want to be too close to the edge here. So, and then I just go ahead and hammer drill it. Make a mark. This hammer drill goes really fast. It's good to get it. It's never bad to have too big of a hammer drill. The bigger, I think, the better. So we might have to wobble it around a little bit to get it to fit into the hole. So I think it's better if it's tight than too loose. And you want the hole to be about the same distance as this fella here. I don't know if you can even see that, but it's the same distance as this thing. So you can put your drill in the hole, mark it with your finger, make sure it's not too hot. About the same distance, so that's about the same. I just go by feel. You can put a piece of tape on your drill bit if you want. That's about the same distance, because it needs to go all the way to here. Okay, and then you just, what I do is, since sometimes you'll booger up the threads, so sometimes you'll booger up the threads putting them in. So what I do is I actually put, on this situation, I'm just going to go ahead and put this thing here on. So what I do is I just go ahead and put the washer on and the bolt on, because sometimes you'll booger up the threads. You're usually not going to be taking this thing back off for any amount of time. And this thing is a little bit, these anchors are a little bit short. It's actually okay. I'd rather have them a little bit short than little, I mean, I'd rather have them longer, but I just grabbed the wrong ones, and it doesn't really matter because this pole can get smashed down a little bit. Just hit it with a hammer. You'll notice that it'll splay out. Get the right size wrench. I had the wrong one. Tighten it down. You're good to go. That's how you anchor. So, I sell these at Home Depot, the hardware section. These are the ones I use, redheads. And there you go. There's your anchor. It's anchored into the concrete. It's pretty sturdy. And that's all there is to it. All right, talk to you in the next video.